Alright, YouTube. You see it here. Yardman Garden TV. I should say Yardman Garden Arts TV. Correction. We're doing a series of birdwatch this season. It's always a beautiful sight, in the winter time for us. And from day one I moved here, I always feed the birds. I used to have a lot more bird feeder, but they have got damaged over the years, and I haven't replaced them. But this one been holding up. It's kind of made of metal, but there was a plastic layer or a plastic barrier, as you see where that piece that I replaced, and it got damaged from squirrels, cause they feed there a lot, the squirrels. And usually when the squirrel are here, they eat a lot of food, as you know, obviously, and they waste a lot of stuff, so hence why you see a lot of birds go on the ground, but it's gonna be a beautiful thing. As you see, the master of the pack came first in the beginning of the video, which was the blue jay. Usually when the blue jay come, you don't really have a lot of other birds in the immediate feeding ground, because the blue jay seems to be the dominant of the pack. Then you have the red cardinal. I'm looking at some finches, and most popular one, as you see, is the sparrows. Those little brownish one, they're the more common one around, the sparrow. But the blue jay, there's a lot of them here as well, but they're kind of more shy and skittish. They really doesn't like noise or be frightened. So they move quick. They come eat fast and get going. But when they come, the smaller birds usually stay back. Hence why you see the place was quiet in the beginning as well. And the bird were slowly coming back in. Because the blue jay came down and everybody move, so. Anyway, it's gonna be a great thing, and this is it. The first episode or the first video of Yardman Birdwatch, so it's gonna be a beautiful thing. Stay tuned. I'm going out today and I'm gonna get some more bird seed for sure, and I think I'm looking into getting a couple more bird feeder. Not sure how much I can get, especially what's on sale. Especially this time of year, they might want to up the price, or who know, or not have much sale that people buy more, or it could be the best time to buy bird feeder. Let me know in the comment section if this is a great addition to our channel, and it's something that you look forward to watch or give a little time of your day to enjoy. Alright, I'll take this one here. Look forward to hearing from you in the comment section. I feel like it's a nice chilling thing. I always like watching bird video on YouTube, or just in the background. It's a beautiful thing, and I'll get better as far as more better quality image. This is just the beginning right now, and right by my door. In the future I set up the camera outside even, and have a more closer view on all that. All the sounds of the birds, everything. My little one is in the background. His television is playing in the background. If you can hear that, Daniel Tiger. Welcome to the life of fatherhood. But yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful thing. Let me know, subscribe to the channel, and look forward for more of these. Whether or not I hear, this is something I feel like, not that I don't go by what people would always like, give their time a day towards and support. It's always great for feedback and encouragement. But whether or not, sometimes you still have to make the leap and just do your own thing as well. So I look forward to hear from you in the comment section. Otherwise, this is just something I feel I can add to the channel, for a downtime. The main objective on here is gardening for sure. I will come out with some art content as art is concerned, but all walk of life are just living off the land, gardening, art, nature. It's all what make up Yardman Garden Arts TV. You know, just way of life and living. So not necessarily one direct thing, or one specific thing, So Birdwatch is gonna be a series for this winter as we're not growing as much and things are dormant right now. I feel like it's a beautiful addition. Alright, subscribe, stay tuned, and look forward for more Birdwatch.